Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I am making very light, simple and delicious dinner recipe. I am making karhai keema or keeme ki karhai. It needs very minimal ingredients, basic, which we always use for our regular dinners, but it turns out delicious and something very different. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start the recipe with Bismillah. First, in a wok kadhai, I am heating up some oil and adding fresh ginger and kasuri methi. Both of these ingredients will enhance the flavor and give your recipe that kadhai taste. Then adding minced meat in there. Today I'm using chicken. You can use any other meat. Adding a few green chilies and start cooking on medium to high flame until meat completely changes its color. Now adding freshly grounded ginger, garlic, and tomatoes and cook until this tomato started to get softened. Now it's time to season. I'm adding some salt with turmeric powder, red chili powder, black pepper powder, and then cumin and coriander powder. Mix everything well, keep on cooking on high flame, and then I'm adding some green chilies and cilantro, just a little bit. We will add remaining later. Just cover and cook until meat is completely tender. Now just bring back your flame onto medium setting again. Mix everything well. I am taking a little bit of masala out and adding in yogurt. This will temper the yogurt and your yogurt will not curdle in the gravy. Adding some fried onion as well, and then cook until yogurt is completely cooked. In the end, I'm just adding some garam masala, remaining green chilies and chopped cilantro with some sliced ginger. Cover and leave it on dum on medium flame, and then serve with garma garam naan and enjoy this delicious Qeema Karhai at home. And if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.